Hey guys, so we are going to ferment strawberry, lime, and sugar, and then we're going to mix it with black tea. Sounds so good, and it is, and it's delicious. So we got this mason jar at Walmart, and I'm just cutting the strawberries. So let's get on with it.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어.
Hey guys, I also went to JCPenney's and I got Olaplex. I've been wanting to try Olaplex for a while now. I feel like my hair gets so dry here in Las Vegas. Like no matter what I freaking put, just seems to be always super dry, and I hate that. And that's thanks to the water here in Las Vegas. So I ended up getting these two. So yeah, let's see how it works, and hopefully it's nice on my hair. That's actually pretty sick. Whoa. Hey, you want to be a part of Las Vegas? That's actually pretty cool. Oh, look. Whoa. Very plastic, but they're cool. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. They're $5, they're not bad. Oh, they've stepped up with their game. I like the little. Same. Those are cool. I like this. Oh, this one's cool. Yeah. And then you have a bigger one. Whoa. How cool would this be if you have like a Harry Potter like theme? Woo! I'm gonna miss my baby. He's leaving to Tucson without me.
I am. No me gusta.
No me gusta también.
No me gusta para nada.
Alright guys, so I just came back from Whole Foods. I got myself like a pizza for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll do some shopping for myself. Richard comes back on Sunday, so yeah, I'm gonna be by myself, which I don't like being by myself. I don't. So let's go home, let's go see Mr. Ozzy, and then yeah, put that pizza in. Alright guys, so I've made it home. I bought myself this little pizza, and I've got my Starbucks drink. So yeah, this would be dinner tonight. Richard is delayed, so yeah, that sucks. So yeah, let's get this pizza going, and then yeah, time to relax. Alright guys, so I am done. I just cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna jump in the shower, kind of get unready, and then eat my pizza with Mr. Gogies next to me. Richard got on his plane, so I'm not stressed out anymore. It's so freaking stressful, you guys, when one of us goes flying somewhere else. We're just always so stressed out to make sure that everything goes smooth. But yeah, you guys, he comes back Sunday, so I cannot wait for that day. But yes, I'm gonna get ready, get some pizza in me, and then just watch Lilo and Stitch. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. so I'm at my facial place. This is my first time trying it. I have no makeup on, so this is how it looks before, and then you will see the after. Guys, so this is the after. Just there's a little bit of that redness just because she did do some extractions, but overall, like, I feel like my face is so moisturized. It's insane. I absolutely love it. Hey guys, so I just got back from getting this boba tea. I want to show you. Look at this. This is a lychee strawberry with boba, and I also stopped in at Ulta to get a few things, so let's head home. All right guys, so I'm back home. I got some stuff from Ulta I needed to like get. I get this for my eyebrows, so this is what I use for my eyebrows. I've been using that since like 2016, so it's my holy grail. And then I saw this mascara because I was like, I need a new mascara, so I'm gonna try this one. This is from Maybelline as well, so we'll see how that is. Then I got my typical matte lipstick that I always get from Colourpop, and this is the one in Beeper. So I love this one. Can't live without it. This tree, so pretty. It's $179. This one here is $99. Ooh, I like this one too. $149. Hey guys, so let's go pick up Richard. He is going to be at the airport soon, so let's go. Guys, I got this multivitamin liquid. To be honest with you, I actually really love it. I've been using it now for a week. I feel like with these kind of things, you do definitely want to wait like probably 3 months before you start to see like a huge change. But I got them because I need vitamins. I don't know which vitamins to take. I'm 33 years old. I'm like, I definitely need something now because I need energy. My hair is getting thin sometimes, and then it gets a little thicker, and then it gets thin. And then it's mainly the energy part that I need. Obviously, I'm in my mid-30s almost. So, yeah, I actually really like it. It's not so bad. It doesn't taste so bad either. I got the raspberry flavor. And, yeah, so far, so good. I'm almost done with it. Let me see if I can see how much there is. But I think it's up to here, like up to here now. So, yeah. It's not bad. I take 2 full spoons of this every morning. So if you have any recommendation of vitamins that you take that you actually really like, mainly for energy for me. So if you have any recommendation, guys, definitely leave it down in the comment section. It will really help a sister out. Hey guys, so I wanted to let you guys know that me and Richard got accepted to an apartment. It wasn't the apartment that we wanted. This one was a backup apartment and it got approved. So we are moving. I am so freaking excited, you guys, to be moving. This is a new area for us. This is like brand new completely. But one of my friends do live like in the area. So I'm super excited for that. It's in the Aliante Centennial Hills kind of area. So this is a brand new area. We've never been there before. Oh, actually, we've never lived there before. So it is, again, brand new place to explore. I'm just super excited and I'm ready for the change. I hate moving, like I actually hate the whole process of moving, but I do love unpacking and then just putting everything, you know, where I want it to go and just make it look nice, you know what I mean? That's like my favorite part of the whole moving situation. But me actually packing and getting everything and decluttering and then, you know, getting rid of things that you don't need anymore and then, you know, donating them, it's like the whole process is a nightmare and it stresses me out. All right guys, enough rambling. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love and the support. I will see you next time. Bye.
Andy is in trouble. More than you know, Prue.
Look at you next to Mama. You're so cute. Why are you so cute for? My little 9-year-old boy. He loves to sleep on the couch, and he loves these OZZIEs. These are so thick. This was given to me by my father and his wife. So yeah, I can't wait for winter, you guys. This is gonna be so useful. But right now, it's been hijacked by Mr. OZZIE. He is so cute. Do you know how many people love you? So many people love this little face. Yeah.